In this video, we will be showing you how to access the CSCB online supervisor training with a non-Gmail email. It's important to note that the supervisor training can be accessed with any email address, Yahoo, MSN, AOL, Hotmail, whatever it is, but the login process is going to be a little different than if you were logging in with a Gmail. So before we begin, it's helpful to make sure you have your phone nearby because you will need it a little later on. The CSCB online supervisor training could be accessed in one of two ways. The first is signing into a classroom from a web page such as this, or through a direct email inviting you to the Google Classroom. So down here, here we have the web page. And if you scroll down a little bit, you see the option to sign into Classroom. If you click on that, it'll bring you to this login page. The next option is to log in through a direct email inviting you to the Google Classroom. And that's the option that we're going to be logging into today. So here we have my inbox, and you can see I have a classroom invitation from the CDA CSCB account. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and you see the option to join class. Go ahead and click on join class. And here I have other accounts that I use, and so I'm going to be logging in with a Yahoo account. And so go ahead and click on use another account. And then the next step is going to click on create account at the bottom. And I'm going to be making this for myself. And we're going to enter our first and last name. We're going to enter just some basic information here. And you could choose any of these options here. And so I'm just going to click on rather not say. And then we have several options of where they create a Gmail address for you. Or you could create your own Gmail address, but I want to use an existing email. So go ahead and click on use your existing email. And then enter in that existing email here. And just double check that you have the right email. Click next. And then it's going to be sending a verification code back to your email. So this is sending it back to my CD supervisor training at yahoo.com. So I'm going to navigate back to my email. And we see that I received a verification code. So go ahead and click on the verification code. And then this is a unique code specific to me. Keep in mind that this code will not work for anyone else, but I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that code back into Google. Now that I verified the account, it's going to my email account, it's going to ask me to create a strong password. Go ahead, click next. And then this is why we wanted to have our phones handy. It's also going to ask for a phone number. It will send a verification to your phone number. And once you receive that verification code, you will enter it into this box now. So I did receive the code. And again, this verification code is unique specifically to me and will not work for logging in any other time. Going to go ahead, click verify. And then it's going to give you a couple more options of how you could use this number. And I'm just going to go ahead and say skip for now. And then we're going to review my account information. So it has my name, my non-Gmail email account. So I am using my yahoo.com, and then a recovery mobile phone number that I just verified. Go ahead and click next. You will have to agree to the terms and conditions. Click agree. And then it will ask me if I officially want to join the class. And so I've been invited to join the Colorado Conservation District Supervisor training, and I want to go ahead and join. And so this is the CSCB online supervisor training. And from here, you can navigate to the classwork tab and go ahead and jump into the curriculum. You have your modules, which includes the curriculum and the training for that topic, and then the module quiz. If you have any trouble accessing the online supervisor training, or if you have any questions, please reach out to your regional field specialist for help.